Are you ready to discover a delicious, heart-healthy way to eat that could help you feel younger, stronger, and more energetic without giving up the foods you love? Welcome to today's episode of Life Chronicles, where we focus on the small changes that make a big difference. I'm Dr. Michael Thompson, and today I'll walk you through how to make the Mediterranean diet simple, affordable, and truly enjoyable, especially if you're over 60. You've probably heard of the Mediterranean diet, but you may be wondering, is it realistic? Can I actually stick with it? Will it really help with my energy, memory, joints, and heart health? The answer, my friend, is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your own personalized Mediterranean plate at home, which foods to eat more of, which to ease off of, and how to make it fit into your everyday American life, even if you're on a budget or cooking for one. Stick around to learn the 7 food pillars of the Mediterranean way. One simple grocery swap that boosts heart health, easy recipes that even picky eaters will love. How this diet helps with memory, weight, blood sugar, and joint pain. So hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly tips on senior health, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite healthy food. Let's get started on this journey together. Number 1, what is the Mediterranean diet, and why is it so good for seniors? Let's take a moment and imagine a warm, sunny village in Greece or southern Italy. People gather around tables outdoors, laughing, talking, sharing meals. Grandparents are healthy and active into their 80s and 90s. Heart disease is low. Diabetes is rare. Memory stays sharp. This isn't just luck, it's a lifestyle, and food is at the heart of it. The Mediterranean diet isn't a fad. It's a way of eating based on traditional cuisines from countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, Greece, Italy, Spain, and parts of the Middle East. But more importantly, it's a diet that aligns beautifully with the health needs of older Americans. Here's why it works so well for seniors. It fights inflammation. Think less joint pain. It's naturally high in fiber, great for digestion and blood sugar. It's loaded with heart-healthy fats, like olive oil and omega-3s from fish. It's full of antioxidants, which protect memory and the brain. It reduces the risk of stroke, heart attack, and Alzheimer's. It's simple to follow, no calorie counting or extreme restrictions. The best part? You don't have to move to Italy to do this. I'm going to show you how to do it right here in the US, at your local grocery store, in your own kitchen, and with flavors your family will enjoy. Number 2, the 7 core food pillars of the Mediterranean diet. Now let's talk about what goes on your plate. Think of your meals like a puzzle, with 7 key pieces that make up the Mediterranean lifestyle. 1. Vegetables, and lots of them. Think leafy greens, tomatoes, zucchini, bell peppers, eggplant, carrots, broccoli. Aim to fill half your plate with veggies at lunch and dinner. Not only are they rich in vitamins and fiber, but they're also low in calories and help keep your blood pressure in check. 2. Fruits, nature's sweet treat. Berries, apples, oranges, grapes, figs, and pears are all rich in antioxidants. Seniors especially benefit from berries, which support brain health. Try adding fresh fruit to breakfast or as a snack instead of sugary treats. 3. Whole grains. Fuel that lasts. Switch out white bread and rice for whole grain versions. Brown rice, oats, quinoa, bulgur, and whole wheat pasta. These help regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling full longer. 4. Healthy fats. The good kind. Olive oil is the star here. Use it to cook, dress salads, and drizzle over roasted veggies. Add in nuts like almonds or walnuts and seeds like flax and chia. These fats help reduce inflammation and support brain function. 5. Lean proteins, especially from the sea fish, is key, especially salmon, sardines, and tuna. They're rich in omega-3s, which help reduce the risk of dementia and heart disease. You can also include chicken, beans, and lentils. Red meat? Keep it to once or twice a month. 6. Dairy, but in moderation. Go for plain Greek yogurt, a small amount of cheese and milk if you tolerate it. Dairy in the Mediterranean diet is usually eaten sparingly and mainly from fermented sources. 7. Herbs, spices, and fresh flavors. Instead of salt, use basil, oregano, garlic, cinnamon, rosemary, or lemon. These not only boost flavor, they also support digestion and brain health. Number 3. What a typical day looks like on the Mediterranean diet. Let's walk through a simple meal plan, American style, but with a Mediterranean twist. Breakfast Greek yogurt with fresh berries, a sprinkle of oats, and a drizzle of honey. Herbal tea or black coffee. Optional, a boiled egg or small slice of whole grain, toast with avocado. Lunch big salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, olives, and grilled chicken or tuna. Olive oil and lemon dressing, a slice of whole grain bread, fresh fruit for dessert. Dinner baked salmon or grilled eggplant with a side of brown rice or quinoa, steamed broccoli and roasted sweet potatoes. A small glass of red wine, optional, and only if your doctor says it's okay. Snacks. A handful of walnuts or almonds, carrot sticks with hummus. A small piece of dark chocolate. Yes, really. This way of eating feels satisfying. There's no deprivation, just balance. And over time, it leads to better energy, better sleep, and healthier blood work. Number 4, making it affordable and American-friendly. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it expensive? Not at all. Here are tips to make the Mediterranean diet budget-friendly in the U.S. Buy frozen vegetables and fruits. They're just as nutritious and often cheaper than fresh. Look for store-brand olive oil and whole grains. These are often high quality and cost less. Choose canned beans and fish. Just rinse them to reduce sodium. Shop local farmers markets. Many accept SNAP or senior discounts. Batch cook and freeze meals so you always have healthy options ready. Don't worry about being perfect. Every step you take toward a Mediterranean-style meal is a step toward better health. Number 5, how the Mediterranean diet helps with common senior health issues. Let's talk about health outcomes. These are the real benefits I've seen in my patients who adopt this way of eating. Brain health. The Mediterranean diet has been linked to a lower risk of Alzheimer's. Omega-3s from fish, antioxidants from fruits, and less processed food protect the brain. Heart health olive oil, nuts, and fiber-rich veggies help lower cholesterol and reduce blood pressure. Many of my older patients are able to cut back on meds with their doctor's guidance after just 3 months. Joint pain and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory nature of this diet means less arthritis pain. Seniors tell me they can walk farther, garden again, and even dance at their grandkids' weddings. Energy and weight. Because you're fueling your body with steady, nourishing foods, your energy levels stay strong throughout the day. Many people lose weight without trying, just by cutting out processed junk. Number 6, simple recipes and cooking tips for seniors. Here are 3 easy recipes anyone can make. 1 pan Mediterranean chicken thighs, cherry tomatoes, olives, onion, olive oil, oregano, garlic bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Serve with quinoa or rice. 2, no-cook chickpea salad, canned chickpeas, diced cucumber, bell pepper, parsley, lemon juice, olive oil mix and serve cold for lunch. 3, fruit and yogurt, parfait layer, Greek yogurt, sliced strawberries and a handful of oats or granola. Add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. Bonus tip, get a friend or family member to try it with you. Cooking together makes it fun and keeps you accountable. So there you have it, an easy, delicious way to feel younger, stronger, and healthier with every bite. The Mediterranean diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle, a way to eat well, age gracefully, and enjoy every meal. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and share this video with someone you care about. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on eating well, moving more, and aging strong. And in the comments below, tell me, which of these meals are you going to try this week? I'd love to hear from you.